Good day, students. So for today's lesson, it's going to be about arithmetic means. So we will talk about the definition of an arithmetic mean or arithmetic means, and then you will learn how to insert terms in between two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence, and then finally, you will learn how to solve problems involving arithmetic means.
Again, our topic is about arithmetic means. So first, let us define what is an arithmetic mean or arithmetic means. Arithmetic means are terms m sub 1, m sub 2, up to m sub k between two numbers a and b such that a, m sub 1, m sub 2, and so on up to m sub k, b is an arithmetic sequence. In simpler terms, arithmetic means are terms in between two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Now, let's see an example para mas masabtan ni nato siya, no? For instance, we have an arithmetic sequence for 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on. Now, kung mutanaw ka sa first term which is 4, and then the fourth term which is 13, these two terms are non-consecutive, meaning wala sila nagsunod. So the terms in between these two terms which are 7 and 10, kani silang duha si 7 ug si 10, these are arithmetic means of 4 and 13. So I hope klaro siya, no? Arithmetic means tunga na siya nga terms nga napatungan sa duha ka wala gasunod nga term sa arithmetic sequence. So kung ari sad kamo tan-aw ni 10, which is your third term, and 16, which is your fifth term, ang tunga nilang duha ni 10 ug ni 16 kini pod si 13. Thus, kini si 13 is the arithmetic mean of 10 and 16. So I hope naklaro ra to siya. Now that we're able to define what is arithmetic mean or what are arithmetic means, let us now solve problems involving arithmetic means. Number 1. Find the arithmetic mean between 8 and 22. So the first thing that we have to do in solving this problem is to illustrate this. Ato ni siyang ipurma nga sequence ba. So the first term is 8. And then we are going to find the middle term of 8 and 22. So blanco ni siya kay arithmetic mean, di ba tunga-tunga man na siya. And then 22. Okay, so manipurma sa ato ang sequence. Now, remember this class. If you are going to find the arithmetic mean of two non-consecutive numbers, kung usar ka buok arithmetic mean imong pangitaon, all you have to do is to find the average of these two numbers, and then that will be your arithmetic mean. Sao na siya? So, di ba kani siya kay mao man ang atong a sub 1? This is our a sub 1. This is our a sub 2 or second term, and this is our a sub 3. Manartana, a sub 2, which is the arithmetic mean, is equal to the average of a sub 1 and a sub 3. So, kay average man, we divide them by 2 sa ilang sum nila. That is equal to, what is our a sub 1? A sub 1 is equal to 8, plus our a sub 3 is 22. Now, what is 8 plus 22? That is equal to 30, and when you divide it by 2, it's equal to 15. Therefore, the arithmetic mean of 8 and 22 is 15. Now, how would you check kung or how would you make sure nga imong answer nga nakuha nga arithmetic mean is really correct? Imo ra nang tan-awon kung ang imong sequence diri na purma bag arithmetic sequence. Mabalik na sad ta. Kanus mahimo siyang arithmetic sequence if they have, or if the consecutive terms have a common difference. So, tanaw na to. Pareha ba sila gap? 8 to 15, pila gap nila? That is 7. What about 15 and 22? That's also 7. Oh, since napurma man siya arithmetic sequence, hence we are able to confirm that the arithmetic mean between 8 and 22 is 15. Now, ato lang ning insert ba kay medyo naapoy ang ani nga problem sa inyong module. So, what if you are asked to find the arithmetic mean between A and B? Nga na ba? What is the arithmetic mean of A and B? So, inigtan-aw nimo maglibog jud ka lang sa may tunga sa A o B, letters na magud siya good. Now, remember this class. Ma-letters na siya or ma-numbers na sila. Pareha ra tag pamaagi nga buhaton. What do we mean by that? So, to find this, di ba na naman tanga, kung usar ka book arithmetic mean pangitaon nimo, then all you have to do is to find the average of the two non-consecutive, the two given numbers. So, saan man na? We add A and B, and then divide them by 2. After na niya, can we add A and B? No. Nga naman, because A and B are dissimilar terms. So, dili na mo siya pwede ma-add. So, unsa man di arithmetic mean anin lang duha? The arithmetic mean of A and B is simply A plus B over 2. Ana ra siya sayon. Okay? Okay, now let's go to problem number 2. Problem number 2, we're going to insert 3 arithmetic means between 10 and 42. So again, the first thing that we have to do is to illustrate this in a form of sequence. So between 10 and 42, so 10 ang gauna. And then since we're going to insert 3 arithmetic means, so tulo ni siya ka blanco dere. 1, 2, 3. And our last term should be 42. Now, how do we solve this problem? Saon man nato siya? Can we still solve this by simply finding the average of these two numbers? Mauna ba na makuha ang sa arithmetic means? No. Ano man? Because in this case, we are looking for 3 arithmetic means. Again, pwede ra to siyang average if you're only looking for 1 arithmetic mean. So what we're going to do here is to find the common difference first. So to find the common difference, let us identify the given in this problem. So may mga naa na to ani, we have our a sub 1, which is equal to 10. We also have this term. Ikapila ni nga term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be our a sub 5. A sub 5, the fifth term is 42. Now, since our last term is our a sub 5, hence, our n should also be equal to 5. So, kung unsay subscript sa imong last term nimo, that should be the value of your n. Now, in this problem, we are looking for the value of our d, or the common difference. So, to find the common difference, we are going to use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay? This is the formula in finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Na ni sa previous nga video nato, no? So, our a sub n, or the last term, is a sub 5. Diba? Now, what is our a sub 1? Or a sub 1 is equal to 10 plus our n is equal to 5 minus 1 times the common difference, which is unknown. So, di ra gyapon na. Now, naman tayo value sa atong a sub 5, di ba? Or a sub 5 is equal to 42. So, we substitute that. That would be 42 equals 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Sorry, 4 times the common difference d. So, from here, we copy 42, and that's equal to 10 plus 4 times d is 4d. Now, from here, ang atong gusto nga pangitaon isang value sa d. So, dili na to kinahanglanon ni si 10 dire. So, we are going to use the subtraction property of equality. Pero para mas madali ta, let us transfer 10 to the other side of the equation. Remember, when you're going to transfer a particular term to another side of the equation, mausab na yung sign ha. So from positive, it becomes negative, or kung negative siya, mahimo siya og positive. Okay? Pero again, ang property nga atong gigamit ana is actually subtraction property of equality. So that is, we copy 42. Nya gibalhin naman nato si 10 diha, it becomes negative 10. That is equal to 40. Now what is 42 minus 10? 42 minus 10 is equal to 32. That's equal to 40. Now from here, we're going to apply symmetric property of equality. So 40 equals 32. Now, basi magnuhon na, uy, ano wala lagi na nausab, sir? Di ba gibalhin man na nimo siya sa line nga side sa equation? Actually, what we're using here is the symmetric property of equality. If you're going to apply symmetric property of equality, walay mausab nga sign, ana. Ano man, nimo sa hunahunahon sila magyung tanan imong gibalhin, no? I-interchange nimo ang ilang posisyon nila ba. So walay mausab ana. Ngano ing ana man kay mao to kung giingon sa previous video nga I prefer nga ang akong variable kay naa diri sa left side sa equation when I solve. Okay? So we divide both sides by 4 to eliminate this 4 here. So cancel na siya. Our d, or common difference, is equal to 8. Now that we have our common difference, dali na lang. Ano man, ang kanang common difference ato ra nang ipang-add dire aron makuha ni siya nga terms. And we have to make sure nga napurma siya arithmetic sequence. So 10 plus 8, 8 man ang atong common difference. 10 plus 8 is 18. So si a sub 3 sad, ada na po din mo siya 8 sa 18. 18 plus 8, that is 26. Yeah, 26 plus 8, this is 34. In fact, when you're going to add 8 to 34, 42 sa dang answer, ana. Since napurma man nato siya arithmetic sequence, therefore, we are certain that the arithmetic means nga atong nasolve is actually correct. Okay?
Now let's go to example number 3. Now for example number 3, we're going to insert two arithmetic means between x plus y and 4x minus 2y. Okay. Now the first thing that we have to do here is same ra gyapon ato no. Ato ni siyang iporma og arithmetic sequence. So this is gonna be x plus y, and then duha ka blanco kay ngano duha man ka arithmetic means ang atong insert ani niya. Okay, and then the expression 4x minus 2y. Now, kunin mo siyang tan-awon lisod gyud siya no, medyo mas challenging siya ba kay ngano we're dealing with variables x and y. Yeah, di ba mo ganahan ba sa may sigutan na si x no kay hilak dayon. Duod. Okay. So bisan tinuod class, we're dealing with variables here. Di ka ngay mabalaka kay ngano man. The process or ang pamaagi sa pag-solve ani niya is the same with the process that we did, or process sa pag-solve na atong gibuhat sa problem number 2. So, and first, we have to identify the given. Identify din na ito sa mga given ano niya. Now, we have the first term, which is x plus y. No? Maumni itong first term na to. Also, we have this term. Ikapila na siya nga term. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the fourth term. So, that should be our a sub 4. That's equal to 4x minus 2y. Now, since ang atong last term na to, si a sub 4 man, or si fourth term, therefore, we're gonna use n, which is equal to 4. So, ang n there, this is the subscript of your last term. And then, we're gonna find the common difference. So, same ra gihapon sa previous nga example, no? The first thing that we have to do is to find their common difference. Okay. Now that we have the given, we will use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d in order to find the value of the common difference d. Now, what is our a sub n? Our a sub n here is the last term, no? Ang last term na to is a sub 4. So this is a sub 4 equals our a sub 1, which is x plus y. Ato ra ni gipang substitute ha. A sub 1 is x plus y plus quantity. Our n is 4 minus 1 times the common difference d. Now from here, ang atong a sub 4, that is 4x minus 2y. So we will substitute that. So this is 4x minus 2y, you know, is equal to x plus y plus quantity 4 minus 1 is 3 times the common difference d. Now, from here we simply copy 4x minus 2y equals, we copy x plus y also. So atong buhaton ra gid diri no is to simply multiply 3 and d. Mao ra na atong ilabtan diha. Now, since we're going to find the value of the common difference d, kung dili nato kinahanglanon ni si x ug si y diri. So atong buhaton ato ni siyang i-transfer sa pikas nga side sa equation. So unsa may tabo na ngani na siya. So we copy 4x minus 2y, and then ibalhin man nimo si x, positive x, inigbalhin ana may mo nag negative x. And niya si y sad ibalhin man na nimo diha, so it becomes negative y. That is equal to, that's negative y. That is equal to 3d na lang ang mahibilin diha. Kaya imo namang gipang transfer si x ug si y diha, no? Now, we will combine similar terms here. Balik ta, unsad nga nitong similar terms? Similar terms are terms with the same literal coefficient, meaning to say they have the same variable and exponent. For example, maingon ko, x squared plus x. Can we add these two expressions or these two terms? No. Nga naman, while it's true nga pareha sila og variable nga x, pero dili man sila parehas og exponent. Okay? So di ka pwede mo add ana. Pwede ra ka maka-add kung pananglitan pareha sila og exponent, pareha pud sila og variable. So in this case, x ug x pareha man nga variable, pareha pud sila og exponent nga 1. So pwede ni silang ma-combine. So that is 4 yang numerical coefficient niya. Ang numerical coefficient diri kay 1 man di ba? So 4 plus negative 1, that is positive 3, and you copy the variable x. Okay? Same goes for y. Pareha man sila, parehang variable, y niya exponent sad 1. So you can combine these two. Yeah, so that we will add negative 2 and negative 1. Negative 1 magyapon nito, di ba? So negative 2 plus negative 1 is negative 3. Also, we copy the variable y. That is equal to 3d. Now, since we want to find the value of this d, so we will divide both sides by 3. Nganong 3 gani ang atong i-divide ani niya in order to eliminate 3 here. Parang mahibilin ani niya kay d na lang. Kay 3 divided by 3, 1 man na. So may mo siya 1d. D na lang yun. Cancel na siya. So dire 3x divided by 3, that is 1x, no? 3x divided by 3x divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1 man na. Yeah, 1x or x. Yeah, negative 3 divided by 3, negative 3 divided by 3, negative 1 man na. So negative 1y or minus y. So that is the value of your d. Therefore, our d is equal to x minus y. Una natay common difference. Now that we have the common difference, ato nang pangitaon sab ang value aning, ang atong second term, which is a sub 2, and our third term. Yan, no? Arithmetic means nila. Okay. If you want to find the value of our a sub 2 or second term, all we have to do is to add a sub 1 or your first term and your common difference d. Again, para makuha na nimo ang value ni a sub 2, Kung buhaton ra gid si a sub 1 adan ra na nimo siya og common difference. So in this case, our a sub 1 is x plus y plus what is the value of our common difference d? Ato naman nakuha, that is x minus y. So again, what we're going to do here is we're going to combine similar terms. X ug x pareha gyud sila. Pila may numerical coefficient diri? 1. Diri pod kay 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So kapihon ang iyang variable na x. Kana pod pwede pa na ma-combine, no? This is 1. Na diri pod kay 1 po na. So 1 plus negative 1. Negative man siya. So negative 1. 1 plus negative 1, 0. So makancel na siya. Tato pa di ay ang atong a sub 2 is 2x. Ang atong second term is 2x. What about for a sub 3? How do you find the a sub 3? Para makuha si a sub 3, adto po kamo tan-aw ni a sub 2. Niada na nimo siya og common difference kay that's how an arithmetic sequence works, no? Ang preceding term kay adan ra na siya sa common difference, then makuha na din ang succeeding term. That is equal to, what is our a sub 2? Pagkuro na ito nakuha, that is 2x. Plus, what is our common difference? Our common difference is x minus y. Combine similar terms, x ug x parehas. 1 ni diri, diha kay 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So, you copy x. And then si y, kay wa mo siya kapareha. So, copy ra, negative y. Hence, our third term, or a sub 3, is 3x minus y. So that the arithmetic means between x plus y and 4x minus 2y are 2x and 3x minus y. Now we proceed to the next problem. Problem number 4. Problem number 4, the question is, how many numbers between 8 and 500 are divisible by 5? No? Ang question ani diri class is dili pagpangita sa arithmetic means. No, we're not looking for the arithmetic means here, but what we are looking for here is the number of arithmetic means between the terms 8 and 500, given na those terms are divisible by 5. So kung imong sabton og maayo, ato sang i-identify ang mga given na to ani niya, kung imo siyang sabton og maayo, pangitaon nimo ang mga number nga tunga-tunga ni 8 ug 500 nga ma-divide og 5. So, pangutana si 8 ma-divide ba na og 5? Dili. So, di ta magsugod niya. So, asa man ta magsugod nga number nga divisible by 5 nga tunga-tunga ni 8 ug 500? It should be our a sub 1, which is 10. 10 yung ka magsugod kay si 10 siya may pinakauna nga divisible by 5 nga tunga-tunga ni 8 ug 500, no? Okay, next, we are going to find the common difference. Question, given ba ang common difference ani niya? Ato now, kung imo ni siyang ipanglista tanan ang mga numbers, actually pwede ra ginin mo siya ansiran og nga nga pamaagi, no? Ipon ra nimo ba by 10, 15, then 20, 25, pwede ra ginin siya, pero 500 magugutob, daghan na jud kay ba? Mo nang gamitan nato siya ani para mas dali ang atong pag-solve. Okay. So kung atong ilista sila, that is 10 ang una nga divisible by 5. Sunod kay 15, sunod kay 20, sunod kay 25. And so on. Padulong na ni 500. Si 500 mo kinalasan nga divisible by 5, di ba? 500 divisible by 5 man na. Okay. Kung imong tan-aw na sila common difference, di ba? Pila common difference nila? That is 5. Therefore, our D here is 5. Unsa din na si 500 ay ikapila din ang term sa 500. Wa ta kay ba mo na siya nga tawagon ta na siya og a sub n. Basta kay last term siya, di ba? Last term na si a sub n. Unsay atong gipangitaan nga problem? It is the value of n. Now that we have all these information, we can now proceed to our solution. So we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times the common difference d. Our a sub n is given, no? That is 500. So 500 equals our a sub 1, which is equal to 10, plus quantity. Our n is unknown. So copy ra na kay unknown man na. Untay value na niya. Minus 1 times the common difference d, which is 5. Now from here we simply copy 500. That is equal to copy 10 plus ato ni siyang i-distribute diha ni n minus 1. 5 times n, that is 5n. 5 times negative 1, that is also negative 5. So again, we copy 500 equals, we are going to combine similar terms here, no? I-combine na nimo si 10 ug si negative 5 ray pwede ma-combine ani kay parehar man sila nga number nga walay variable na. So 10 plus negative 5, that is positive 5. And then we simply copy positive 5 and so siya similar. Now, our concern here is the value of n. So wala na nilabot si 5 na to diri, no? So we want to get rid of this one. So ato ni siyang i-eliminate by subtracting both sides with 5 or atong i-transfer si 5 sa pikas. Unya, we copy 500. Pag transfer ni positive 5 sa pikas, mahimo na siya negative, no? Kay positive man siya diha. So this is equal to 5n. What is 500 minus 5? That is 495. No? So, applying symmetric property of equality, again, walay maunsa na niya kay ato man na siyang gi-interchange. No? That is 495 divided by 5. So, makancel lang 5, n na lang ang mahibilin. What is 495 divided by 5? So 49 divided by 5, that is 9, and this is 45. Yeah, this is 4. Bring down 5. 45 divided by 5 is also 9, and 45, or it's 0. So sa ato pa di ay ang atong n ani niya is 99. Thus, we can say that there are actually 99 numbers between 8 and 500 that are divisible by 5, or there are 99 arithmetic means in between 8 and 500. I hope klaro ra. Now let's go to our last example. Now gidaghan din akong example, no? There are 5 examples kay gimayong sa din ako gi-parallel nako sa inyo ha bitang module bitaw. Kay sa module sa ninyo bay ubay mo ansiran baya. Nya kini siya nga mga problems mga similar na niya, so kung makita kag problema ngay ato, so kamao na ka at least kamao na ka saon ay nga niun din siya kay parehas man atong sa example, sir. Okay, so for the 5th example, we're going to find the value of p if the arithmetic mean of 3p plus 5 is 31. Question: are we looking for the value, are we looking for the value of the arithmetic mean? No. Now naman, our arithmetic mean in this problem is given, which is 31. Unsay atong gipangita, ang value ni p atong gipangita ni. So unsay una nato nga buhaton ani? Well, ato na pud siyang isulat nga forma og sequence. So 3, unya ang second term nato ani kay si 31 kay siya may arithmetic mean. So 31, and then we have 3 plus 5. So these are our 3 terms. Now, kung nakahinomdom mo sa first nga example, niingon ko nga basta usar gani ka arithmetic mean ang imong kuhaon. All you have to do is to find the average of the 2 numbers nga given, and then that average is now the arithmetic mean or their arithmetic mean. Sama na siya. Okay, ngani, di ba? Si a sub 2 or ang tunga nila, that is simply the average of your a sub 1 and a sub 3. So kuhaon ra nimong average na a sub 1 ug a sub 3, no? So mao ni atong may gini sa first nato nga example, pero naka-diferensya lang ani kay pangitaon nato ang value sa variable. Okay, now what is our a sub 2? Or a sub 2 is 31. That is equal to our a sub 1, which is 3. No? 3 man sa a sub 1. Yung a sub 3 kay 3p plus 5. Okay, over 2. From here, we copy 31, and then that's equal to, we combine similar terms. So 3 and 5, we can add them. 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. Plus, we copy 3p all over 2. From here, ba't napugsugod ang imong ulo? Kaya nga nung agoy, fraction man yung tao ni kurma yung tao na. Rational man yung tao ni. Saon man eh. Okay, actually what we're gonna do here is we're going to apply the multiplication property of equality. Okay, gusto na to nga mawagtang ning 2 diri sa iyang denominator niya. Kaya nga naman, because we want to find the value of p. So dapat mawagtang ning 2 diri. Maniunan to nga buhaton. So we will apply multiplication property of equality, pero na ay mas dali ana. Atong buhaton na basta naa gani siya denominator gani. Bisan pag naa na siya diri, all you have to do is to multiply that to the numerator of the term on the other side of the equation. No? Dito na multiply 2 times 31, that is equal to 62. That's equal to 8 plus 3p. Diba? Nawagtang na sa ito. I-multiply naman mo siya dito. Okay? So, maura na ano, kung panalitan gani, rational eh, fraction din niya. Fraction po diha, pwede rin nag-cross multiply niyo sila. Huh? Pero again, ang pinaka-insakto ginana is multiplication property of equality. Now, from here, we want to find the value of p. So, di na nato kinahanglanon sa 8 dire. Ato na po na siyang ibalhin dito. So, we copy 62. Ang positive 8 mahimo na og negative 8. That's equal to 3p. Napila man ang 62 minus 8. That is equal to 54. Equals 3p. Now, from here, we have 3p. We divide both sides of the equation by 3. So, 54 divided by 3. Cancel ng 3 diha. P na lang ang may bilin. 54 divided by 3 is 18. Therefore, ang ato di ay value sa P ani di ay should be 18. Yeah. Kung saan na ito pagkasiguro nga atong nakuha nga answer kay sakto. Sigurista biya kita. Diba? Sakto man sana siya. No? Atong baton ani is ato ning is-substitute diha si P. Kunya inig-substitute nato niya, kung mapurma ganyan siya arithmetic sequence, then we can say, we will be confident in saying that P is definitely equal to 18. So, let's do that. Mana na din ta. Ila man ni si 3P. Kani ha? Siya. 3P plus 5. That is 3 times pilang P nga ito nakuha gani? 18. Plus 5. What is 3 times 18? That is 54. Plus 5. Pila man ang 54 plus 5? That is equal to 59. So sa ato pa, ang ato ring sequence ani niya is 3. 3. Okay. 3 dayon 31 dayon 59. Tanaw na to kung napurma ba siya arithmetic sequence. Kaya kung napurma arithmetic sequence, wala. Sakto ang atong answer. So, sa pagkabalo nga arithmetic sequence sila, dapat na ay common difference. Pila may gap ni 3 o ni 31. That is 28. Diba? Okay, 28 plus 3, 31 na niya. Pila may gap ni 31 o ni 59, it's also 28. In fact, it forms an arithmetic sequence. Therefore, we are confident in saying that our answer, in which P is equal to 18, is absolutely and definitely correct. Okay? So, I hope nga nasabtan ninyo ang tanan ng mga problems, no?
So that is it for this session, and I hope that you have learned so much from this discussion, and this will help you in doing your modules. So if this has helped you, please don't forget to click subscribe and share it to others so that daghan ng matabangan ng mga estudyante. Thank you. Till next time.
God bless.